Okay, well, we have this huge storm coming, and it looks like it's coming straight, basically for us. They were saying initially that it was going to be maybe to the south of us, maybe just north of Lincoln, or maybe Lincoln even, but it's moved further to the north, which is what we were thinking, unfortunately, and what we were concerned about. And they're talking about maybe up to baseball-sized hail, 80 to 100 mile an hour winds, and wedge tornadoes, which is not the little ones, it's maybe the F3 to F5 variety. So we moved everything, well, some valuable things, into the storm cellar, and we're just sort of waiting to see what happens. The hook is just a little bit southwest of us and coming this way is the way it looks. So if you can see it, we're the blue dot, and that hook is just right there, and that's what we're looking at right out there, out the bedroom window. So we'll see what happens.